Last night when we're out night flying, I had a landing in the grass and I broke this hinge. The other one is okay. I've super glued that in, so it's okay. But this side, there's many ways to do it, and I usually like to use these zip ties because they're pretty strong. I'm just going to cut a slot here and then slide this in, super glue that, and I'll have a perfect hinge. Okay, here's the hinge I'm going to use. This is a smaller zip tie, one of the smaller ones. And I'm going to glue it in, put some super glue on it, and we're just going to stick it right in this slot that I made in the wing and the fuselage. And that's going to slide in there like that and be glued in, and I'm going to have a perfect hinge. So let's go ahead and glue that in. Okay, glue on both sides. Go ahead and stick that in there like this. And that looks good. And now I'll just take the accelerator, the activator. I'm going to spray that right there. And I'm going to fill that gap up with more glue while it's drying. Okay.